Life is an adventure. It throws surprises. Be ready. Emergencies happen. Be prepared. Disasters can strike anytime. Don't wait. Prepare your home. An emergency kit is crucial. It helps you survive. Think of it as your survival backpack. It should have everything you need. This is for a short time until help arrives. Be proactive. Don't wait for a disaster to strike. Prepare now. Your safety is paramount. First aid is crucial in emergencies. It is the immediate care given to someone who is injured or suddenly taken ill before professional medical help arrives. Knowing how to administer first aid can save lives, prevent a condition from worsening, and promote recovery. It can be the difference between life and death. Quick and effective first aid can stabilize a patient until they can receive full medical treatment. This is why having a well-prepared first aid kit is essential. Your kit must have a first aid component, include antiseptic wipes. These are crucial for cleaning wounds and preventing infections. Keeping wounds clean is the first step in ensuring they heal properly. These are for cleaning wounds. Bandages are a must-have. They help to protect the wound from further injury and contamination. Make sure to have a variety of sizes to cover different types of injuries. They come in different sizes for different injuries. Pain relievers are essential. They help manage pain and can also reduce fever, making the injured person more comfortable. They provide relief from pain and reduce fever. Don't forget gauze pads. Gauze pads are versatile and can be used to cover larger wounds, control bleeding and protect the area from infection. These are for larger wounds. They are especially useful for wounds that are too big for regular bandages. Always have a good supply of gauze pads in your kit. A first aid guide is crucial. It provides instructions. In an emergency, having clear, step-by-step instructions can help you stay calm and ensure you are providing the correct care. It helps you stay calm. Knowing what to do and how to do it can make a significant difference in an emergency situation. A first aid guide is an invaluable resource. Remember, a well-stocked first aid kit is your first line of defense. Regularly check your kit to ensure all items are in good condition and replace any used or expired supplies. Being prepared can make all the difference in an emergency. In an emergency, food and water are paramount. They are the basic necessities that ensure survival when everything else is uncertain. Without them, our bodies cannot function properly and our chances of making it through a crisis diminish significantly. They provide the energy to survive. Food gives us the calories we need to keep our bodies moving, while water keeps us hydrated and helps regulate our body temperature. Your kit must include enough for at least 3 days. Store non-perishable food items. These last long. Choose canned goods. They are durable, have a long shelf life, and can be consumed without much preparation. They are easy to store and consume. Canned goods can be a lifesaver when fresh food is not available. They come in a variety of options, from vegetables to meats, ensuring a balanced diet even in tough times. Water is essential for hydration. Our bodies are made up of about 60% water, and staying hydrated is crucial for maintaining bodily functions. Store at least 1 gallon per person per day. This amount ensures you have enough for drinking, cooking, and basic hygiene needs. You can also include water purification tablets. These are a great backup in case your stored water runs out or becomes contaminated. These purify water from questionable sources. They are easy to use and can make almost any water source safe to drink. Don't underestimate the importance of food and water. They are the foundation of your emergency preparedness plan. In a crisis, they become your lifeline. Keep them readily available. Always check expiration dates and rotate your supplies to ensure everything is fresh and ready to use when you need it most. Section 4. Light in the dark, finding your way. When disaster strikes, power outages are common. A flashlight is essential. It illuminates your surroundings. Include extra batteries. They power your flashlight. A hand-crank flashlight is a great alternative. It doesn't need batteries. Candles can provide light and warmth. Store them safely. Matches are crucial for lighting candles. Keep them dry. Remember, light is not just for visibility. It also provides a sense of security. Be sure to include multiple light sources in your kit. Section 5. Duct tape and beyond everyday heroes. Don't underestimate everyday items. They can be lifesavers in emergencies. Duct tape is incredibly versatile. It can fix almost anything. Plastic bags have countless uses. They can store water, protect belongings, or even serve as makeshift rain gear. A sturdy rope is essential. It can be used for securing items, building shelter, or even rescuing someone. These simple items can make a huge difference. Get creative and think outside the box. Their versatility is unmatched. Section 6. Packing for survival. Be smart, pack light. When preparing for emergencies, the key is to pack smart and light. This ensures you can move quickly and efficiently when the situation demands it. Packing your emergency kit requires careful consideration. Choose a sturdy backpack that can withstand the elements and the rigors of travel. The quality of your backpack can make a significant difference in an emergency. It should be comfortable to carry with adjustable straps to fit your body perfectly. Comfort is crucial because you might need to carry it for extended periods. Pack items in waterproof bags to protect them from moisture. This is especially important for items like documents, electronics, and food supplies. Keeping them dry ensures they remain usable when you need them most. This protects them from moisture. Keep the kit lightweight by only including essential items. Remember, every ounce counts when you have to carry your kit over long distances. You need to be able to carry it without straining yourself. A heavy kit can slow you down and make it difficult to move quickly in an emergency. Store your kit in an accessible location where you can grab it quickly. Time is of the essence in emergencies, and you don't want to waste precious moments searching for your kit. Make sure everyone in your household knows where it is. Communication and preparedness are key to ensuring everyone can act swiftly and efficiently. Regularly check and replenish your kit. Items can expire or get used up, and it's important to keep your kit up to date with fresh supplies. Remember, a well-packed kit is only useful if you can access it when needed. Practice retrieving your kit to ensure you can do it quickly and efficiently. Keep it light, accessible, and well-maintained. A well-prepared kit can make all the difference in an emergency, providing you with the tools and supplies you need to stay safe and secure. Section 7. Get prepared, stay safe. Your adventure starts now. Life is unpredictable, but you don't have to be caught off guard. Creating a DIY emergency kit is simple and affordable. Use common household items. Be resourceful. Your safety is paramount. Don't wait for disaster to strike. Start building your kit today. It's an investment in your well-being. Remember, being prepared is the best way to face the unexpected. Be proactive, stay safe, and embrace the adventure of life with confidence.